friends, my name is Lauren. I'm a librarian at the Cranford Public Library. Welcome to week 5 of our We're Gonna Make It challenge. Each week I'll give you a new idea of something to build or make, and this week's theme is costumes. I'm going to show you how to make a no-sew cape, but remember you can make whatever you'd like using whatever materials you have around your house. You're going to want to start with an old t-shirt and a pair of fabric scissors. Use your scissors to cut off the sleeves. I'm going to flip mine over before I cut. When you're done cutting your first sleeve off, flip your shirt over and cut the other side. Store these sleeves on the side, and your shirt should now look like this. We're going to cut a line right up the side. That was nice and easy. Now it's time to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to lay this out so you can see what your shirt should look like now. Now it's time to create our cape shape. We're going to make sure that when we cut, we include the neckline of the shirt. That's going to provide some much needed support. I'm going to go over some of the more frayed ends of my cape and just make sure I have a nice straight line. Once you have the shape of your cape, you can add whatever you'd like to it, markers or paint, it's your call. I hope you enjoyed learning how to create a cape. Remember, you can make whatever you'd like using whatever materials you have around the house. When you're done, have a grown-up submit your work to library@cranfordnj.org or post it directly in the comments below. You have all weekend to create. Remember to get your work in by Sunday night, because on Monday we're going to make a gallery of everybody's amazing work. I can't wait to see what you create.